Okay, our next question is from Angela. I hear DHEA can cause hair loss. Is there anything we can do to prevent this?
So DHEA in really high doses definitely can cause hair loss. Again, it's the testosterone side effect of pushing the DHEA too much. I have friends in the gym that use DHEA as part of their whole testosterone. You know, there's some friends of mine, big guys in the gym that do testosterone for weightlifting and stuff. And part of that is a DHEA cycle with really massive doses of DHEA. In those doses, absolutely, you're going to get what's called androgenic side effects, which means testosterone-like side effects. And hair loss is definitely one of those. Acne is a big one, and other problems too. And so, you know, it's for what we're trying to accomplish, that's not the way to go. I'm prescribing DHEA in 25, maybe 50 milligram dosages. In that dose, it really should not cause the androgenic side effects, hair loss, and the other testosterone-like side effects. That's one of the nice things, again, about DHEA, rather than using testosterone, is just in the 25, 50 milligram dose, we don't really have to worry about those side effects like hair loss and the other things that we talked about. So it really shouldn't do that for you. And in fact, hormone replacement therapy in general should improve the quality of your hair, should make it thicker, should make it look better. Hair loss is complicated, and most hair loss actually is not from the menopause transition, but if it is, the HRT can help prevent that as well, besides just making the hair healthier, thicker, and looking better.